Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Learning with Zergul. Today we'll learn about continents. Continents are massive land masses found on earth. They are Africa, Asia, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. Asia. Asia is the largest and most popular continent with more than 4 billion people. It is surrounded by Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean and the Arctic Ocean. There are 48 countries in the Asia. Hundreds of languages are spoken here. Africa. With 54 countries, Africa is the second largest country and second most populated continent. It is surrounded by Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Mediterranean Sea and Red Sea. Largest country in Africa is Algeria. The longest river in the world is Nile in Africa. The Sahara in northern Africa is the largest hot desert. North America. North America is the third largest continent and has 23 countries. Pacific, Atlantic and Arctic Oceans surrounded United States. United States USA is the richest country. South America. The Pacific Ocean bordered into the west and Atlantic Ocean bordered into the east. The largest river Amazon, the driest place on earth, Atacama Desert. Antarctica. Antarctica is an ice lower continent surrounded by the Southern Ocean. It is windiest, driest and the least populated. Beautiful penguins found here. Europe. Europe is the world third most populated continent with 50 countries. Russia is the largest among the East. The most populated attraction are Big Ben in England and Eiffel Tower in France. Australia. Australia is the smallest continent. The main cities are here. The main cities are here: Sydney, Malpoe, Darwin and Canberra. The most well-known Australian animals are kangaroo and koala. Hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel.